Hello and happy holidays from How Mundane, the least interesting place on the internet. Today we've got the kind of released out of the blue surprise Topps baseball advent calendar. Yeah, was not expecting that. I don't think anyone was. Yeah, I mean, we've all been used to the Pokemon holiday calendars coming out year in, year out, and Topps always releases a holiday set, which we will have a video of some of the regular holiday set, but this was the advent calendar that they came up with and then sold out of almost immediately. So let's speed run our way through this one the way we did with the Pokemon calendar, see what it's got, see if it's worth it if you happen to have gotten one, or if it's totally not if you didn't. So, okay, I am honestly not sure how these are supposed to work. Let's just rip this. Wait, it looks like this should just lift off, but that does not seem to work. Okay, let's open 3 days, all the way across the top level. See if we can figure out how to get the packs out of this box. This is backwards. Okay, this is backwards. Those should be flipped over. And here, I'm going to pull out the whole tray. Look, this is how it should be in the box, so that you can actually remove these packs from the window. But they're packaged backwards. So if you bought one of these, you are probably in that situation for every single box. Nick Lofton, Alexander Blaze, there's an Acuna, nice list, Martin Nimmo. Wonder if the other side is going to have the same problem. Jimenez, Pages, Simeon with the plaid, Duran on the nice list, and a Judge. So I wonder if this on both sides is just going to be these 5 packs. Freeman, nice list. Indy Rod. Because if that's the case, I mean, I guess it's fine. But if I'm being honest, I would rather have had trick-or-treat packs of Topps baseball to give out as opposed to this. So yeah, not nearly the kind of variety you see in the Pokemon calendar, at least out of the first 12 days. Pete Alonso. And the fact that it's packaged backwards is just funny and sad at the same time. MJ Melendez, there's an Ohtani on the nice list. Although, 493-foot home run with the Angels, so it's not even Dodgers Ohtani. Bruxman, Simeon. So it seems like in each pack you're just getting some base holiday and a couple of inserts. So far, there's been, nothing numbered, nothing special, and that was kind of what the product list indicated, was that this was going to be just base cards. Meaning that either getting the tin or the mega box is a much better pick as opposed to getting these calendars. Now, maybe they'll surprise me and there'll be something in here that we're not expecting, but so far, yeah, you get 1 plaid and 1 nice list and 3 base cards per pack in every one of these packs. Gutchin, Diaz. All right, we are coming up to the moment of truth to see if this whole product is in fact backwards. In which case, Tops, what are you doing? All right. This side is correct. So here's 13. The way it should be. So, if you open yours up and you have little kind of plastic bumps and not accessible packs, know you've got the same problem I did. Maybe it's an isolated one. Maybe it's how they all got made. It's going to be hard to say unless we see some other folks post videos of this product on YouTube. Base, plaid, nice list. So these have all been identical packs. And honestly, whoever designed this thing, the doors need to be a little bigger to make it easier to get the packs in and out of here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side that I did on the other side. Just pull out the whole deal. Okay, so there is actually some interesting stuff when you get down here to the end. Volpe and Carter. But as a piece of feedback for you, Tops, make the doors a little bigger and it would be much easier to get stuff out of this. And if I weren't trying to do this quickly in order to put out a speedrun video in time for any of you who may be considering this for the holidays, I probably would have taken my time and opened all the doors a little more gently. Okay, so it is the final, 4 days that have something different in them. So when you get to 20, which is here, that's your last of these 5-card packs that all have the same kind of insert mechanic going on. Okay, so day 21, Evergreen pack. Let's see what's in here. Mookie Betts, Shohei Ohtani, and Juan Soto. Very cool with the die cut. Foil buyback program pack for day 22, and another one for 23. This is a Pete Alonso. Stamped 2024 with the foil. Another one on day 23 for sale, All-Star Game. It is a 2024 ornament that is the foil stamp. And then on the 24th day, 1992 Stadium Club. So they are just throwing in, I guess, random old packs, and who knows what you might pull. See who we got in 92. Harold Baines. Steve Avery. Stadium Club membership. There's a Billy Ripken. Throworth. David Haas. Frank Tanana. Jeff Facero. Tom Goodwin. Ced Landrum. And John Marzano. So there you go. If you got one of the advent calendars or you're still trying to track one down, that's what you have to look forward to. Hopefully yours is not packed backwards and you'll be able to actually go through 24 doors correctly. But if it is, you saw how to fix it. Thanks for being mundane with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.